Michelle with Green Organic Love, and I just wanted to share with you guys what is growing on, or what is happening in this case to the soil on this right side of the garden, the place in the area that I decided I was not going to grow in for the winter. So I've uncovered the leaves that my boys brought in a few months back, and I just wanted to share with you what this soil looks like. Now remember, the only thing that I used over here was the pulp for my juicing and these leaves. I didn't bring in any extra fertilizers or anything like that. And without my permission, some of the stuff that I brought in actually started to grow. So it had become somewhat of a compost area. I brought in some red onions, and so that's what you see right there growing, and they are doing very well. I didn't even know they were here until I came on this side and started examining things a little bit closer. I thought maybe it was some weeds or something, but let's get a closer look in on this soil so we can see what's going on. These are the leaves from the fig tree in the front, and I'm just moving them out just a little bit. So this is the soil, you guys. I'm gonna have to go back in the archives to see exactly how it looked before, but I know it wasn't this rich. This is very nice, and it looks like whatever I plant here will have an amazing start. So I'm gonna go a little bit farther down because, let's see, good. Just made a very nice mulch. I remember how much money I actually spent on mulch when I was just starting out. And what I want to tell the new gardener is you can just use your leaves. Instead of throwing away your leaves in a garden, you can just use the leaves that fall from the trees. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Use the leaves that and whatever kind of natural fertilizers you have. You don't need to go out and spend a lot of money on fertilizers. You just don't. Look at that. So that is my quick little update on how well the soil is doing. This was dry and hard, and it's not now. It's ready. Ready for whatever I want to plant over here, which I will reveal in another video. But I want to say thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe now so that way you won't miss any of my future videos and what's growing on in this yard. So like, share, and comment. Let me know what's growing on in your yard. Thank you so much for watching. Grow with love.